Did you know that simple daily massage can help your newborn sleep better, grow stronger, and feel more relaxed? Today, I'm going to show you the safest and easiest full body massage routine you can do for your newborn baby at home. Hello, beautiful moms and parents. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this channel shares motherhood tips, baby care, and family lifestyles to make parenting easier and enjoyable. If you have a newborn or you are expecting a baby soon, this video will really help you. So stay with me till the end. Massaging your newborn baby is not just about relaxation. It has many amazing benefits. It helps improve blood circulation, supports healthy weight gain, helps digestion, and reduce colic. Massage also helps baby sleep longer and strengthen bonding between mother and baby. Most importantly, it helps your baby feel safe, calm, and loved. The best time to massage your baby is when the baby is calm, awake, and not too full or too hungry. Many moms prefer to massage their babies before bath time or before bedtime, but I'm going to be doing my own before bedtime because it helps the baby relax and sleep better. Make sure the room is warm and comfortable. You can use baby safe oils like coconut oil, palm kernel oil, olive oil, or baby massage oil. Always test the oil on a small part of your baby's skin first to make sure there is no reaction. So let's arrange baby beds where we are going to be doing the massage on. So we are going to put our wrapper. Make sure you use a dull wrapper because of the stain of oil. So here is my palm kernel oil, homemade palm kernel oil. This palm kernel oil, I discovered that it does not give baby heat. It does not make baby sweat. So using that tube cream lotion is optional. Start with your baby's leg. Apply a small amount of oil to your palms and rub your hands together. Gently massage from the thighs down to the feet using soft strokes. Massage one leg at a time. Please note this. If you don't know how to massage your baby by yourself, you can hire a professional. This lady massaging my baby, she's a professional. She didn't study it in school. It is a natural gift. Mostly people from Bayelsa State, Ijo women, they know how to massage people naturally in a traditional way without using machine or any artificial means. In fact, even pregnant women, they do massage pregnant women before delivery. Yes, and also as a woman that have not given birth and expecting to conceive, they also help to massage the woman, which boosts hormones. Place both hands on your baby's chest and gently move your hands towards like you are opening a book. This helps your baby relax and supports breathing. Massage the tummy gently using circular clockwise movement. This helps digestion and can reduce gas or colic. Turn your baby carefully onto the tummy. Use gentle strokes from the neck down to the roots. This helps relax muscles and improve blood circulation. Always be gentle while massaging your newborn. Stop if your baby starts crying or feels uncomfortable. Avoid pressing the spine directly. Make sure your hands are warm before touching your baby. Baby massage is not just about physical health. It is a beautiful moment of bonding. Talk to your baby, smile, and maintain eye contact. Your baby feels your love and comfort. People who often massage their body hardly have cardiovascular heart arrest, that is, heart related disease, because massage helps in, relaxing nerves and also help blood circulation. So, as an adult or a parent watching this, I encourage you to massage your body, even though not often, but once in a while. You can hire a physiotherapist or do it yourself, especially for your children, or if you have someone that can do it for you as a parent. And also, if you can also afford massaging machine, you can go ahead and acquire one. It will help you. Using very gentle movements, massage your baby's scalp. You can also gently massage the baby's forehead, cheeks, and jaw area. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support more motherhood and baby care videos. Also, comment below if you massage your baby already or if you plan to start. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. God bless you. One love, everyone. One love.